Calapan City Mayor Arnan Panaligan is proud of this narra tree. One can find it at Calapan's Parang National High School. The mayor planted the country's national tree during the blessing of the school building in 2002. Now, the narra tree has grown and flourished along with his political career. The mayor went back there for the inauguration of the school's new facilities. The city government helped fund the construction of a pavilion, reading center, and comfort rooms. The school is close to the mayor's heart. It was established in 1999 during Panaligan's first term as city mayor.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.